Have you ever wondered, do you think the Statue of Liberty is just a statue? Be prepared, because these hidden secrets may surprise you.
In 1865, Bartholdi drafted the idea of a statue dedicated to America. Asterisk. But few people know that Gustave Eiffel, the father of the Eiffel Tower, was the one who designed the steel frame of the symbol. This is not only a work of art, but also a technical masterpiece. The crafting process begins. Piece by piece taking shape. Hundreds of workers worked painstakingly, piece by piece, adding to the statue. Gustave Eiffel's iconic steel frame was the solid foundation for this monumental work. After years of painstaking craftsmanship, each piece of the statue gradually becomes more complete. Workers polish and polish, turning the drawing into reality. Over the years, the sturdy steel frame has grown in strength. Every detail has been meticulously calculated to ensure the survival of this great symbol. After years of grinding, the bronze plates are gradually attached to the steel frame. Every detail is precisely calculated to ensure the statue's durability. After much effort, this great work is almost completed. The Statue of Liberty is about to enter history. After years of meticulous craftsmanship, each part of the Statue of Liberty was gradually completed. Large bronze plates were joined to a sturdy steel frame, creating a distinctive image. Each final piece of work has been completed. Workers work carefully to ensure every detail is correct. Each assembly, each base plays an important role in keeping the statue structurally stable. Now, the statue was almost complete. But there was the problem of how to transfer a similar process from France to America. The only solution was to break the statue into 350 individual pieces, which were then carefully packed into 214 wooden crates. Workers refined each part, ensuring quick assembly after this forum benefited without any errors. In June 1885, after a long journey across the Atlantic, the ship Isère, carrying the entire statue, was summoned to New York. The American people were excited to welcome this special gift from France. In June 1885, after a long journey across the Atlantic, the ship Isère, carrying the entire statue, was summoned to New York. The American people were excited to welcome this special gift from France. After a long journey across the ocean, the cargo containing each statue finally arrived in New York. The city was ecstatic, with thousands of people turning out to witness this historic landmark. Each crate was opened, revealing the paid-for parts. Workers quickly got to work, inspecting each piece in preparation for assembly. The supporting steel frame, designed by Gustave Eiffel, was already in place on Liberty Island. Workers began fitting the statue piece by piece onto the frame, making sure every joint was precise. The arms, torso and especially the iconic face of the Statue of Liberty were gently upgraded. Workers used cranes and a pulley system to move each part into precise decorative position. The job requires absolute precision. Just one small mistake can jeopardize the entire project. Everyone works tirelessly to ensure progress. And then, after months of assembly, the statue emerged in its final form. Sunlight reflected off the bronze, heralding a new era for New York City. Now the final touches have come. Every joint, every bronze plate is carefully inspected to ensure absolute perfection. After years of planning, design and construction, the finely tuned statue enters its final stages. All eyes are turned upward, where the figure of Lady Liberty is revealed. The most crucial moment of the process has arrived. The symbol of the guiding fire is carefully placed in place. With the help of a pulley system, every movement must be precise down to the centimeter. Even the slightest mistake can disrupt the entire process. The statue stands in the sky, every last detail is cut, every weld is checked one last time. Over 3,000 bronze plates, reinforced on a sturdy steel frame, have now become a complete structure. All the hard work and dedication of hundreds of people has changed in this moment. Cheers echoed throughout the construction site. Those who had a hand in creating this wonder shared joy and pride. They had endured years of labor, faced challenges, and now they had demonstrated their architecture, a great masterpiece, ready to become a symbol for generations to come. As the sun climbed over the horizon, the morning light reflected on the bronze surface of the statue. A symbol of freedom, of hope, of friendship between two nations was officially born. From across the Atlantic, France gave this gift to the United States, not just a statue, but an everlasting message of solidarity and self-reliance. Today, history is made. And the statue will forever stand here, welcoming future generations with the light of hope and self-reliance.